Shalom, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. In today's video, we'll be going over the active forms of the verb to go or to walk. This means that the subject of the sentence is active and doing the action. So, without further ado, בואו נתחיל. Let's begin. The Hebrew verb for to walk or to go is ללכת. ללכת. To say I'm walking or I'm going as a male, say אני הולך. אני הולך. To say I'm walking or I'm going as a female, say אני הולכת. אני הולכת. To say I walked or I went as both male or female, say אני הלכתי. אני הלכתי. To say I will walk or I will go as either male or female, say אני אלך. אני אלך. To say you're walking or you're going when referring to singular male, say אתה הולך. אתה הולך. To say you walked or you went when referring to singular male, say אתה הלכת. אתה הלכת. To say you will walk or you will go when referring to singular male, say אתה תלך. אתה תלך. To say you're walking or you're going when referring to singular female, say את הולכת. את הולכת. To say you walked or you went when referring to singular female, say את הלכת. את הלכת. To say you will walk or you will go when referring to singular female, say את תלכי. את תלכי. To say he's walking or he's going, say הוא הולך. הוא הולך. To say he went or he walked, say הוא הלך. הוא הלך. To say he will walk or he will go, say הוא ילך. הוא ילך. To say she is walking or she is going, say היא הולכת. היא הולכת. To say she walked or she went, say היא הלכה. היא הלכה. To say she will walk or she will go, say היא תלך. היא תלך. To say we are going or we are walking as males, say אנחנו הולכים. אנחנו הולכים. To say we're going or we are walking as females, say אנחנו הולכות. אנחנו הולכות. To say we went or we walked for either male or females, say אנחנו הלכנו. אנחנו הלכנו. To say we will go or we will walk for either males or females, say אנחנו נלך. אנחנו נלך. To say you are walking or you are going when referring to plural males, say אתם הולכים. אתם הולכים. To say you walked or you went when referring to plural males, say אתם הלכתם. אתם הלכתם. To say you will walk or you will go when referring to plural males, say אתם תלכו. אתם תלכו. To say you're going or you're walking, when referring to plural females, say אתן הולכות. אתן הולכות. To say you walked or you went, when referring to plural females, say אתן הלכתן. אתן הלכתן. To say you will walk or you will go, say אתן תלכו. אתן תלכו. You should know that in formal traditional Hebrew you would say אתן תלכנה, but no one really uses it in everyday life. To say they are walking or they are going, when referring to males, say הם הולכים. הם הולכים. To say they walked or they went, when referring to males, say הם הלכו. הם הלכו. To say they will walk or they will go, when referring to males, say הם ילכו. הם ילכו. To say they are walking or they are going, when referring to females, say הן הולכות. הן הולכות. To say they walked or they went, when referring to females, say הן הלכו. הן הלכו. To say they will walk or they will go, when referring to females, say הן ילכו. הן ילכו. Again, the formal traditional Hebrew says הן תלכנה, but it's not used in everyday life. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And share with me in the comments if there are specific topics that you would like to learn about. For now, thank you for watching and להתראות. Goodbye.